Hi class, my name is Anish. Today I'm going to be talking about an animal known as the aye-aye. Naturally, the first thing we have to establish is, of course, what an aye-aye is. It's a nocturnal lemur living in Madagascar. It's classified as part of kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primates, family Dobentonidae, genus Dobentonia, and its scientific name is Dobentonia madagascariensis. It's an omnivore, and its diet is composed of insects, seeds, fungi, and fruits. The aye-aye is a mostly solitary creature that spends most of its time on the ground, though it may travel in packs on occasion, as recent evidence has shown. Its reproductive life cycle is one offspring every 2 to 3 years, with female aye-ayes gestating for 5 months or 164 days. The geographic range of the aye-aye is heavily reduced from what it once was. Once thought to have inhabited everywhere but southwestern Madagascar, it is now restricted to the eastern side of Madagascar, along with some isolated pockets on the western side. This is due to human activity, which has resulted in the aye-aye being officially listed as endangered. Two main reserves are Marojejy National Park and Anjanaharive Sud Special Reserve. The aye-aye has a very nasty reputation among the Malagasy, who are the native peoples of Madagascar. It's considered an omen of death, and as a result, it has to be legally protected from being killed on sight. The name comes from the Malagasy word "hai-hai", meaning "I don't know". This is because it was considered bad luck to speak the true name. Some adaptations are its teeth, shaped like incisors designed to cut through wood, dark fur that helps the aye-aye camouflage against the trees in the night and thus protects them from predators like the fossa, large eyes that improve their night vision, and pseudothumbs, a discovery as recent as 2019 that allows them to grip things, due to their specialized fingers being primarily used for foraging. All of these are physical adaptations. Their long finger is their main physical adaptation. By tapping the finger against the hollow bark, they use the subsequent echoes heard via their very large ears. Another physical adaptation to locate insects hiding in the bark, a method called percussive foraging. This is called so because percussion is formed from the striking of a hand against an instrument. It scoops out the food using a claw on the end of the finger, and as seen on the picture, the triangle shape, and said claw is used sort of as a hook. So the finger is made of 3 joints, not including the claw, and the joints are ball and socket joints. Ball and socket joints pretty much allow the aye-aye's fingers to rotate a full 360 degrees, and the small width and length allows it to forage in any tree, as they don't have to create large holes to find their prey. This last slide discusses some fun and not so fun evolution facts. You might be wondering why there is a picture of a beaver. That's because aye-ayes were initially thought to be rodents, as both have that incisor-like teeth designed to cut through bark. Of course, this was proven to be untrue. Not so fun fact, the demand of percussive foraging results in the aye-aye having limited contact range, meaning as their habitat grows smaller and smaller, they might not find other aye-ayes as easily as they used to, as they will have lower reproductive fitness. It's also thought that their habitat becoming smaller and smaller means that their food supply is becoming smaller and smaller, and this is the reason why some of them have been traveling in packs, as it's easier for them to find food. They have become so specialized that they cannot adapt to the changing conditions, and they run the risk of becoming extinct. This is something called an evolutionary trap. And this is my references page. Alright, that's the end of the presentation. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you later.